dear students, most welcome to the online session. Now today I am going to proceed exercise 2.3 my dear students, and we will going to see question number 1 and question number 8. Other questions are similar type, that questions are also like question number 1 and question number 8. So let us proceed my dear students. Question number 1. Solve the following equation and check your results. What does it mean my dear students? What is written in the question? Solve the following equation and check your results. What does it mean? It means that here we have to determine value of x. After getting value of x, again we have to put into the equation to check out whether it is satisfies the equation or not. Whether it is satisfies to the equation or not. That is called check the result. That is called check the result. So let us proceed my dear students. 3x is equal to 2x plus 18. Now we will segregate variable one side and constant other side. 3x minus 2x is equal to 18. Here my dear students, 2x was positive. When it will come to the left side, it become negative. So here it became minus 2x. 3x minus 2x is coming out my dear students. X is equal to 18. So what does it mean? This is required solution for the given equation 3x is equal to 2x plus 18. What does it mean? What mean by x is equal to 18? As I told you, x means it is variable. Variable means it doesn't have fixed value. According to the equation, it will be possess different value, my dear student. So here we got x is equal to 18. Now to check the result means what? I will put this value of x is equal to 18 into this equation, and if we will get LHS is equal to RHS, that means our solution is correct. So let us check my dear students by putting this value in the equation 3x is equal to 2x plus 18. So here what we got value of x 18. So let us put in this 3 into 18 is equal to 2 into 18 plus 18. Okay my dear students. Now 18 3 ja 54, 18 2 ja 36 plus 18, that is coming out 54. 3 plus 1 4, carry 1 become 5. So my dear students, here we got LHS is equal to RHS. Hence checked. Hence result is checked. Okay my dear students, hence x is equal to 18. This is a correct solution for this equation 3x is equal to 2x plus 18. Now similarly let us proceed for this equation 2x upon 3 plus 1 is equal to 7x upon 15 plus 3. Now again here same concept we have to inherit in order to determine value of x. So let us take variable term to our left side. 2x plus 3, 7x plus 15, 7x upon 15 when will come left side, it will become minus 7x upon 15 is equal to, already there is 3. Now I am taking this constant on that side, it become 3 minus 1 my dear students. So here now denominator are different. So in order to do addition or subtraction, we must make same denominator my dear student. There are two or three ways we can do. first thing, multiply with the constant in the numerator and denominator, so that here it will become 15. If same number we will multiply to the numerator and denominator, it doesn't produce any effect to the actual sums. Its physical appearance only will going to change. However, its actual value will not going to change, my dear students. So what I am doing, I am multiplying here 5 in the denominator, same number I am multiplying into the numerator 5. In other way also we can do, take LCM of 3 and 15, then also you can get, my dear students. So it is up to you which method you feel it is simple for you. You can proceed that method, you can utilize that method, my dear students. So here, my dear students, 5 2 is 10, 10x upon 5 3 is 15 minus 7x upon 15 is equal to 3 minus 1 2, 3 minus 1 2. Okay, my dear students. Now here denominator became same. Now we can write denominator one time and directly we can subtract numerator. 10x minus 7x, it is coming out 3x is equal to 2. Now nothing is there in the denominator, right side you can take 1, cross multiply, take this constant right side, here this constant divide, when it will go to right side it will going to multiply, my dear student. So 3x is equal to 15 into 2, because here it was divided, when it goes to right side it become multiplication. So 3x is equal to 15 2 ja 30, 3 10 ja 3 1 ja 3 10 ja. So my dear students, we got x is equal to 10. So this is required solution. Now how to check whether this is a correct value for this equation or not? What to do, my dear students? I have to substitute this value in this equation, my dear student. So let me put here, then we will come to know when LHS equal to RHS will come, that means it is correct solution. So let us see, my dear students, 2 into 10, wherever x is there we will put 10, whole divided by 3 plus 1 is equal to 7 into 10 divided by 15 plus 3, my dear students. 2 10 ja 20 divided by 3 plus 1 is equal to 10 7 ja 70 by 15 plus 3, my dear students. Now for the 3, see here it is, my dear student, plus 1, here nothing in the denominator, you can take 1 and directly 3 multiply with the 1, then that 3 will goes to numerator to add into 20, my dear student. 3 1 ja 3, now 3 will going to add in 20. Directly we cannot add this plus 1 to the 20. First multiply, because it is in middle. First multiply with the 3 and then take into the numerator. 3 1 ja 3 plus 20, 23 by 3, my dear students. Similarly here 15 3 ja 70 and 45 divided by 15, my dear students. 23 by 3, here 5, 7 plus 4 11, 115 by 15, my dear students. Now 5 3 ja 15, 5 2 ja 10, remainder coming 1, takes 5 down, it becomes 15, 5 3 ja 15, my dear students. Hence here also we got 23 by 3 is equal to 23 by 3. Hence it is verified LHS is equal to RHS. That means the result is clarified. It is a correct. So the value x is equal to 10. It is a correct solution for the given equation, my dear students. Thank you to all my dear students. May God bless you. Have a nice day. Now regarding any doubt, regarding any impedance, you can write in my comment box. My dear student, you can do WhatsApp in my personal WhatsApp number, my dear students. May God bless you.